everyone. This is Sasira from grade 10th of Phoenix Global School. Today I am standing in front of you to explain my topic about coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. The coordinate geometry consists of Cartesian system that is used to determine the points in Cartesian plane. The Cartesian system consists of horizontal line and a vertical line. The horizontal line is y-axis and the horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. The intersection of horizontal line and the vertical line is called as the origin. By the representation in the chart, we can observe this is quadrant 1 that can be represented by the plus and this is quadrant 2 that can be represented by the minus and plus, and this is quadrant 3 that can be represented by the minus and minus. This is quadrant 4 that can be represented by the plus and minus. So this is my model regarding to coordinate geometry. You can pinpoint your exact location by using your mobile, thanks to the global positioning system or GPS. But how can you locate the exact location in the 2D world without using any technology? Behind this there is a simple math, and let us dive right into the topic. So by first observing this, we can take a 2D world by taking what the reference point of distance with 10 meters. I'll be here or here, anywhere of the circle. This forms a circle. By the point that forms a circle. This is the circle, and could you able to locate me? No. Because I am here or here or here, it is unable to locate me. This is enough to locate? No. Let us take another reference point on it. So this is the another reference point. Let us call it as blue point that have 20 meters distance from the red point. So let us draw another circle using this 20 meters reference point. So this forms another circle, and it will get 2 points. But is this enough to locate me? Because we have 2 points. It is unable to locate me. So let us take another reference point by 30 meters distance from the red point and 20 meters distance from the blue point. It forms another circle. By this, we'll get the exact location of the 3 reference points. This is the exact location of This is the exact location of my pinpoint. So, by taking 3 reference points, we can able to locate our exact location in the 2D world. This is the simple math behind the technology of 2D world in coordinate geometry. The inventor of coordinate geometry is René Descartes. He is the man who invented coordinate geometry. Thank you, one and all. Have a nice day.